Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I am a mom to two boys. They are 9 and 7, and I try really hard to make hygiene fun, and that can be a challenge with boys. But I love Harry's products because they allow me to do that. This is their 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. My boys love all of Harry's products because they are masculine and they always smell great. This one is scented with peppermint. It smells amazing. They love it. And they also scent their products with essential oils, which I love. They appreciate a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner because the less steps required for them to get clean is a bonus. This lathers really well. It's not heavy. For them, it's a perfect balance of getting their hair clean as well as moisturizing at the same time. So whether you're a mom trying to make hygiene fun, or you're just a man that's looking for a great masculine product that smells amazing, works great, we absolutely love all of Harry's products in this household. And that's our point of view.